Pay attention if you need to make money from home. It's me, Kinghuman, and if you're looking for a home job that makes decent money, take a look at this. Check this out. All right. Let's get into this. This is going to be different than what I usually try to tell you guys to do, because I know some of you guys are not into the self-employment thing. So first thing we're going to do is come up here to Amazon.jobs/EN. And this is where you can find a job that can pay you up to $22 an hour. Now, yeah, you can do this thing where you can do the delivery and fulfillment position, but this is what I want you to look at. Scroll down here and click on View Remote Jobs. And then you'll see the remote jobs that you can do from home. And as you can see right now, there are over 1,000 of these jobs available. Come in here, scan them, get going on this. Okay, next home job situation you might want to look into. Come to Google and type in Apple at-home advisor and click on the first link, and that's going to take you to jobs at Apple. And this is pretty cool because they pay you while you learn. You can do it from home, and they give you a laptop to do this on. So really cool stuff. You might want to take a look into this. It's not rocket surgery, and it's not going to make you rich. So there it is. There's a couple of home jobs that you can do, a lot of opportunities. There are over 1,000 jobs that you can do at home. These are just a couple of them. But if you really want to make money and become independent, you come here to my website, thekinghumanelite.com. It's an online education academy where I teach people how to make money on demand from anywhere with just a laptop and an internet connection. So the thing I've done recently is I've set up a free 7-day trial for my website so you can get instant access. And you can actually come in here, you can download all the courses you want. There's a lot of done-for-you businesses in a box that you can slap your name on and sell as your own products. And boom goes dynamite. But this is for people that want to be an entrepreneur. They don't want to be an employee. They don't want to be another battery in the matrix, right? For me, JOB stands for just over broke, right? I hate jobs. I used to be a truck driver. And I used to be one of those batteries in the matrix. And then I learned how to become independent, how to be self-empowered, how to make money for myself. I learned how to make money on the internet, and I became a millionaire by doing simple things. The other day I sent out, and I can do this anytime I want, send out an email and make a couple of $1,000 in a day. It's easy. Well, it's easy for me. It's not going to be easy for you at first, right? I don't want to pump any sunshine up your skirt. I don't want to give anybody false hope. But here's the challenge. Come into my website. Join for free for 7 days. Once you join, you will see a tab at the top in the members area that says New Members Start Here. Take the first course in the members area. And if that doesn't get you excited, quit. You won't be charged a penny, no hard feelings, we'll still be friends, and you can go back to your JOB and make your paycheck kind of situation. But you know what? How's that paycheck doing for a lot of millions of people are out of work because of this pandemic? I'm not out of work. I can make money on demand. All I have to do is open my computer, open up my autoresponder, and type an email out that takes me about 8 minutes. I hit the send button, and thousands of... Okay, enough of me. All right, guys, check these 2 jobs out. Again, wait a minute, let me lower this for you. This is Amazon.jobs/EN, and then Apple at-home advisor is apple.com/jobs. Well, just Google search it like I told you in the video. All right, guys, maximum respect. All the best. Whatever you do, Stay healthy, stay safe. It's crazy, crazy times we're living in. Stay healthy, stay safe, and if you can, donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Maximum respect. Booyakasha! I'm outie.